Come on, one more time.
Not again, man. Just too tired. I've been practicing to get this move right since morning. मैं तो सच में थक गई, but ये monster नहीं थका. Well, ये है latest Samsung Galaxy M30s. So slim and sexy, right? But it's got a monstrous 6000 mAh battery and an incredible 48 megapixel camera. I've been recording videos in 4K on this monster, but the battery, it has barely dropped. Still so much juice left. So guys, get ready to go monster as the sale goes live at the Amazon Great Indian Festival on 29th September. Don't miss out.